Hey folks, you might be wondering what this is. Um, this is a hatchling coastal python that I just rescued from the dogs. It's come out of the shed somewhere. So obviously Mum has laid her eggs inside the shed and they've hatched in the shed somewhere. So I am expecting that there's going to be a hell of a lot more of these little fellas around. So I'm going to have to keep my eye out. I've got an enclosure that I can put this one in because I really don't want it to be I don't want it to be out in the middle of nowhere. This is just a baby. This is going out to Harvey Bay snake catchers who found one of these recently in someone's house. And I just wanted to give him a shout out and say, hey, the big mum and the males that have lived here have finally had babies. The really sad thing is that this place in the new year is going to be all bulldozed and turned into housing estate. So I don't know what's going to happen to these guys. Yeah. Anyway, I'll turn this off and you can go back to your regular programming. I am just so chuffed that I found this little baby and hopefully I can save it. Anyway, back to what you were doing.